Hello there. Are you looking for ways to embed YouTube Shorts on your WordPress site using Elementor? Then you are at the right place. In this tutorial, we will show you exactly how to do that using the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio. So let's start. Step 1. Get the YouTube Shorts link. Open YouTube and navigate to the video that you want to embed. Click on the share button and copy the link. Step 2. Install and activate the custom iFrame plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins. Click on Add New. Search for Custom iFrame by Coderz Studio. A plugin card will show up. Hit Install Now and then Activate. This plugin can embed PDFs, social posts, Google Docs, videos, audios, web pages, basically anything with a link. Alright, the plugin is live now. Step 3. Add the custom iFrame widget to the page. Go to the page or post where you want your YouTube Shorts. Click Edit with Elementor. In the widget panel, search Custom iFrame. Drag and drop the widget right into your layout. Step 4. Embed YouTube Shorts in Elementor. Go to the content. Now, with the Pro plugin, you can select YouTube as your source type. However, if you are using the free version, you don't need to worry at all because you can just paste the link into the source URL field. Now, let's customize the widget settings. Set the height and enable lazy load. It's a technique that delays loading images, videos, or other media until they're needed, usually when they enter the user's viewport for better performance. Then, you will see some additional settings that are part of what the custom iFrame Pro plugin offers. Now, in the basic options, you can manage settings like autoplay, mute, controls, loop, and privacy mode. Then, in the YouTube playback settings, you can set the start and end time for the video, and even add a playlist. Then, in the YouTube appearance settings, you can customize the control color, show or hide related videos, enable full screen, and manage keyboard controls. And you can also add YouTube captions or set the player interface language. In the advanced settings, you can manage API support and add custom parameters. Now, scroll down to the advanced settings. Here, you'll find the Sandbox option. Sandbox adds an extra layer of security by letting you control what runs inside the embed, like forms, scripts, pop-ups, and more. And that's just another part of what the custom iFrame Pro plugin is. With the Pro version, you get even more useful features like custom iFrame attributes, advanced embed controls for YouTube, Vimeo, and X posts, custom watermarks, 3D flipbook PDF viewer, device frame display, plus more coming soon. So if you want to customize and need more embed options, the Pro version is absolutely worth it. Want to explore the Pro features and live demos? Just Google customiframe.com and head to the official site for all the details. You'll also find the link in the description if you want to check it out directly. Now let's come back to the topic. In the Style tab, set up the width, background, border, box shadow to match the YouTube Shorts with your site's design. Finally, click on Publish, and you are done. Your YouTube Shorts is live on your site. Check the captions to get the doc guide and plug in links. That's how embedding YouTube Shorts is simple with the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio.